Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here, open my. After you open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to the profile. On getting to profile, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate the product that is out of stock that you want to request for refund and get your money back. So I'm going to use this particular product at this point right here. So I'm going to click on that. So here we go. This is where I need to set up and place a refund for this particular product right here. So let's get started. Before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here now. Then here we go. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to select the reason for your refund. And I'm going to go ahead and click on here out of stock. Next thing I'm going to do is to type in little statement right here. For that, I'm going to exit from my Pinduoduo right here. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I open my Google Translate. Go ahead and click on my Google Translate right here. So if you don't have Google Translate on your phone, Google Translate is a free app that allows you to translate from one language to another language. And you can easily get Google Translate in Google Play Store. If you are using Android phone, if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store and go ahead and search for Google Translate. Download and install the app, and it's going to take you to this interface right here. Set your primary language and why it translates to this language right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Enter Text and then type in seller out of stock for the size, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to copy this text. Having copied the text, I'll go back to my Pinduoduo right here. I'll click on here now and I'll paste the text right here. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and submit my refund right here. So I'm going to go ahead and then click on here to submit my refund. Submit my refund. Instantly, the refund was successful right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do right here, you can see a notification of refund from Pinduoduo from the top right here. So I'm going to go ahead now and then click on here to go back to my profile. I'm going to click on here now to go back to my profile. So by the time I refresh this page, the product will no longer be found right here. So I go back right here. By the time I refresh, you find out that the product is no longer here. Lastly, I will go ahead and exit from my Pinduoduo right here, and I will go ahead and open up my Alipay right here to confirm the money has been successfully returned back to my Alipay. After you open up my Alipay, then allow you to look up. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on the message box right here. So you can see, so you can see a notification of 208 yuan right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on notification here. Then click on payments. Then here we go. You have the refund notice right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship on import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Fish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.